everybody. Today we're going to be making cookie in a cup. So what you'll need for this is butter, an egg yolk, and sugar, brown sugar, flour, and chocolate chips. So what you're going to do first is you're going to get a spoon, where you have spoons, and then you're going to put sugar, brown sugar, and regular sugar in the butter, in the cup. And then you're just going to mix that up until it's well combined. And that'll be really good right there. And then you're just going to add the egg after that. And then just mix that up again. And then after that is done, you go and pour all the flour into it. And after that is all mixed up, should work right there. Now, it should be like a light golden brown color. And then once that is done, right there, that should look about like that. And you can put a little less flour in if you want. It might have put a little bit too much, but you're just going to have to experiment with it. And put about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. They can be regular if you want to. They don't have to be mini, but I'm using mini. And then you just mix them up with the cookie dough. And then, yeah, you mix them up right here. So it looks pretty good. I think that'll do fine. And there you go. If you don't like a lot of chocolate chips, you can do less chocolate chips than that. But I like a good amount, so I'm just going to do that much. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to make sure it's all firmly down in the bottom of your cup. And then it'll look like that. And then what you're going to do is go and heat it up in the microwave for 50 seconds to 1 minute and 10 seconds. And I'll show you it when it's done. So there it is. That's it right there. It looks like a cookie in a cup. It looks really good. If your cookie isn't done, or if the top is like a little underdone, that's totally fine. It'll cook more. And yeah, it'll be fine. And I cooked this for about a minute, close to a minute. And yeah, it looks really good. If you want more, you can do like heaping amounts of everything except the eggs. And that's really nice, because then you have more cookie, and that's good. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and the measurements for the ingredients will be in the description below.